how to disable of Facebook previews on Facebook Lite. Hi everyone, this is Kit and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can disable of Facebook previews on Facebook Lite. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Facebook Lite application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in. After that, navigate to the top right corner and tap on the three-line icon. Here, scroll down a bit and head towards Settings and Privacy. Again, select Settings. So on the Settings and Privacy, scroll through a bit and then search for an option that is Followers and Public Content. So on the Audience and Visibility option, you can find Followers and Public Content and then tap on it. Again, here scroll down a bit and there is an option or toggle at the last that says of Facebook previews. So in order to disable it, all you have to do is toggle off this option right here, and with that you have disabled off Facebook previews on Facebook Lite. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.